Here are some highlights from the September issue of Cleaner magazine. Brought to you by Aries Industries, featured in the product Spotlight. Why inspect laterals and mains separately when you can capture both in a single run? The Aries LETS 6.0 is powerful enough to tackle harsh pipes, smart enough to navigate sharp bends, and versatile enough to handle everything from new builds to cross-bore pre-inspections. Visit ariesindustries.com. In an industry where many chase bigger crews, bigger territories, and bigger jobs, Rich Staub is doing the opposite and winning. His secret? A lean, fast-moving operation that keeps customers happy, techs stress-free, and profits steady. Here's why playing small ball might be the smartest move you're not making. What started in 1996 with a single mini excavator now runs a $50 million fleet across 9 states. The secret? Knowing when to pivot, doubling down on the right people, and turning market downturns into launch pads. Here's how Southeast Connections built an empire by thinking bigger and drilling deeper. Cut through the clutter and pick the right pipe inspection software for your team. Here's what to look for. From cash skimming to cooked books, employee theft can drain your profits before you notice a dime missing. Here's how to spot the warning signs before it's too late. Imagine replacing a sewer without all the back-breaking shovel work, and doing it faster with less fuel and fewer crew. That's what Avanti Plumbing and Drains gets from their $70,000 Engcon tilt rotator. 360 degrees control, precision digging, and up to 90% less manual labor. 2025 brings a fully overhauled CIPP Good Practices course. From 4K panoramic crawlers to bend-busting microcams, today's sewer inspection gear is faster, sharper, and tougher than ever. We break it all down for you in the product focus and then put you in touch with the manufacturers in the 2025 TV video inspection and location directory. Crossbores, leaking mains, miles of aging pipe. These crews faced it all and came out on top with the right gear and the right moves. Here's how they did it. All this and more is in the latest issue of Cleaner, free for qualified readers. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Cleaner magazine. See ya next month.